finally finished my room. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That would be highly appreciated. Let's get on to the video. I'm gonna give you an overview of how it looks when you walk in. And this is what you see. So here's my door. Right when you walk in, you'll see I've got some hooks with some bathrobes on. My bags that I use quite often. And down here you have a weight that's missing some weights for some reason. A yoga mat, my luggage, which I actually need to pack. Here's my wardrobe, I really like it. I don't know where it's from. You open the first doors, this is what you see. I have a lot of random stuff here that I still need to sort out. This is my skiing outfit, which I really want to go skiing. So if you can comment down below what countries you recommend for skiing I'm planning to go. I think these are just some returns I need to do. Some birthday bags, which I like to reuse. And then some of my clothes, which I slightly try to colour coordinate, and I definitely have too many. And then down here I have some of my shoes that I don't wear too often, so, and then these two random boxes which I think have my hiking boot and another pair of high heels in there. The next door is a bit more organised, so right up here I just keep all my special bags. I don't know, I'm just one of those people that like to keep the bags, and I do store stuff in them. I think this is just an off-white plastic bag inside. In here I have a photo album, but yeah, I think it just kind of looks cool. We've got my iPhone, my Louis Vuitton scarf, my Versace sunglasses. Don't remember what I got. I think I ordered some makeup from YSL, but yeah. Then there's like 2 sets of shelving units, and then on one side I tend to keep like my bottom clothes. I don't know, is that what you call them? So here I have jeans, some black, dark denim, light denim, white. These are my boyfriend jeans and some cargo pants. Then I have some slacks here, which I probably won't be using anymore as I've finished school, and these were my sixth form clothes. Right here I have kind of like flary dress up trousers. I don't really know what they're called. Here I have all my skirts. Here I have my gym leggings, and here are my gym tops. And then down here at the bottom is really basic, so I just keep my white socks, my black socks and tights, my white bras, my black bras, and then there's a random box there. I believe that's my hair extensions, and a little rose that I got for Christmas, which gives like a scent off for the wardrobe, makes your clothes smell nice, if that makes any sense. And then here I just keep some overstock items that I'm reselling just because they don't fit anywhere else, so I thought I'll make use of the bottom shelves. Here I have my duffel bag, just some random like purses as well that I don't use, and I think these are also in stock. Then moving back up again, I have my jumpers, hoodies, my long sleeve tops, and then this is a bit random, so I have some dresses, some jumpsuits, and then some like beachwear, you know, the stuff you put over your bikini. Down here I just have some of my crop top, my short sleeve tops. These are oversized tops that I usually sleep in when I tan. Tank top pajamas, which clearly is like the biggest pile, which is kind of funny. All my bras and underwears, and then in here I keep my Supreme headband and my off-white belt, which I really love and I got for Christmas. So yeah, moving on, I have my bed. These little lights are from Lidl, which I need to change the batteries to because it ran out yesterday. My bed is, I believe, from IKEA. I can link it down below for you. I have some very cute pillows. I love rose gold, you'll be able to tell from this room tour. The pillows are from Asda. My duvet cover, it's also my favourite that I own. It's from The Range, I think, and this little overthrow is really cute, and I think this is from Dunelm. There was a tag somewhere here. Yeah, this is from Dunelm, so I also really love, and I think it goes nice with the greys in my room. And then I have this desk here, which is from IKEA. It looks like that. Loads of space with drawers. I keep this nice jewellery stand. This is from Dunelm, and I keep just like my necklaces, some earrings, a bracelet that I usually wear every day. I have this fake plant from B&Q, and then all my makeup brushes. Just a mirror that I use every day for my makeup, my phone, and then over here I just have some planners and a notebook. This is a really cool lamp that I use for reading. And talking about reading, this is the book that I'm currently reading. I really recommend it. It's actually really good. My laptop and my AirPods that are charging. Let me show you what's inside the drawers. I heard people like to know what's inside people's drawers. So here I have some face mask, deodorant, and then I just have loads of face masks. one of those people that just buys a lot and then always forgets them. I just keep all my electronic stuff, my cables, cords, chargers. Moving on to these drawers. In my first drawer I keep my makeup. Right at the back there I have a few palettes. Here I have my naked palettes, some Vaseline, a beauty blender which is extremely dirty and needs a wash. And then in this bit here I keep my face stuff. So I have my foundations, concealers, and then my bronzers, powders, highlighters, my primer, my setting spray, some loose powders, and then in here I keep my lip stuff, so all my lipsticks, all my lip glosses. And then here is my eye stuff. I don't actually wear mascara anymore, so I probably should throw this out as I have eyelash extensions now. But yeah, then I have like an eyelash serum, which again I don't use, and then my glitter eyeshadows, some eyeliners, eye pencils, eyebrow pencils, a sharpener, and a random hair bubble. Here is some random brushes that I use for my face mask, a mirror, and then some lip liners. So yeah, that's that. In this drawer, this is like a really random drawer, so I keep my medicines in here, just like my hay fever tablets and cough sweets, just all of that stuff. Here I have some of my perfumes. Here is my like travel size items, I think. Random nail polish, sunglass case. I think down there is some birthday cards that I keep, a thermometer, and then some playing cards. This next drawer is my hair stuff, and then some travel bags that I keep down there. This drawer. So here I have like my tanning stuff, all my body lotions. You know, like the ones that people tend to give you as gifts, like in little gift sets for Christmas, for birthdays. I just don't end up using them, only when I go abroad, because they're usually 100 milliliters or less. They let me carry it on the carry-on, but yeah, hence I have so many. And then I keep all my bikinis here. Bottom drawer has all my art supplies. I've actually recently started to paint, so also by my desk I have this really nice acrylic chair, see-through, a bin, and then here is like my windows. So by the window I have this really cute rose gold marble date cube, a candle which I love, if it's from New Look. Here is the remote control for my lights. Here I have my little teddy bear, another fake plant I got for Christmas, my passport case. And moving on, here I have a little table from IKEA. This was like £9, so I'm very happy about that. I thought it was just useful to put my coffee maker that I got for Christmas. And here are just some pods that I have. Espresso cup and 2 plates. Another espresso cup is missing. I don't know where that is, probably downstairs. So yeah. Oh, below here I just have favourite shoes that I own. These are 2 pairs of Yeezys, and I'm planning to do a video on how I style them and what I wear them with. And then this is my mirror. So yeah, here I just have an Off-White sticker, a Supreme sticker. This is basically pretty much what my room looks like. I have a lot of rose gold stuff. That is it for my room tour, guys. As you can tell, I'll keep it pretty simple with greys, whites, and rose gold, my favourite colours. And if you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!